Among the vast fields of China, potatoes have a humble appearance but great value. From high-quality potato varieties to the skillful hands of farmers, each potato is a result of the combination of nature and human effort. In 2020, the potato growing area in China reached more than 5 million hectares, accounting for about 30% of the total global potato growing area. In 2022, China's potato output reached 92 million tons, making an important contribution to the global agricultural supply chain. In China, potatoes are not only a part of daily meals, but also a symbol of perseverance and innovation in the agricultural industry. The potato growing industry not only contributes to economic development, but also brings nutritional and cultural value to the community. Welcome to Green Agriculture Technology, the journey to harvest high-quality potatoes in China. Potatoes are not only delicious and nutritious, but they are also the perfect ingredient for crunchy snacks. Are you curious about how they are prepared? Watch until the end of the video to discover the journey to create a potato snack that everyone loves. Growing potatoes is a meticulous process, from preparing the soil to each step of planting, harvesting, and storing. To grow potatoes, the soil is very important. Loosen the soil, remove rocks, and check the pH at 5.5 to 6.5. Create beds 7.87 to 11.81 inches high, 23.62 to 35.43 inches apart to improve drainage and help the tubers grow evenly and healthily. Potatoes are usually planted in two main seasons of the year, spring and fall. Seed tubers are gently placed in each prepared hole, then covered with a layer of soil about 1.97 to 2.76 centimeters thick. This layer of soil helps retain moisture, protects the seed tubers from direct sunlight, and creates conditions for deep roots, helping the potato plant to grow strongly from the first days. Currently, in the modern agricultural industry, the Shaktiman Grimi potato planter has brought an advanced solution. This product was developed thanks to the cooperation between Shaktiman and Grimi, helping to automate the potato planting process. The machine simultaneously sows seeds, fertilizes, and creates beds, saving time and labor. With a self-adjusting system, the machine ensures accurate sowing and is suitable for many types of soil, contributing to increasing productivity and improving the quality of potato production. Potatoes need enough water, especially when the tubers begin to develop. However, care must be taken to avoid keeping the soil too moist, as this can cause the tubers to rot and reduce the quality of the product. At some point in time, the young shoots will begin to rise, reaching towards the sunlight. Soon, green leaves will appear above ground, marking where the potatoes will continue to grow vigorously and form tubers. After about 8 to 12 weeks, the potato plants will begin to flower, a natural signal that the underground potatoes are ready for the upcoming harvest. In 2022, the area under potato cultivation in China will exceed 2,700 hectares. The output will reach 76,000 tons, a sharp increase compared to 2020. This shows the remarkable development of the agricultural industry. When the potato harvest season comes, the fields are filled with the bustling sound of machinery and the sight of harvesters diligently gliding through each row of soil. The machines, designed to dig and collect the tubers gently, move steadily, bringing each fresh potato out of the ground. Workers skillfully follow, inspect, and classify the potatoes right in the field in a bustling and exciting atmosphere. The sight of long rows of cleanly collected potatoes creates a picture of a prosperous harvest, bringing joy and expectation for a bumper crop. Potato harvesters are specialized equipment that automate the potato harvesting process, ensuring high efficiency and minimizing labor. Some are equipped with a 9.84 to 11.81 inch deep digging system, a 4.92 foot wide conveyor belt to transport potatoes, and a screening system to remove soil, rocks, and impurities. The machine is capable of harvesting at a speed of up to 2.47 acres per hour, suitable for large-scale farms. A powerful engine with a capacity of 120 to 150 horsepower helps the machine operate stably on all types of terrain. In addition, self-propelled machines also integrate intelligent control systems and a storage compartment of up to 13,228 pounds, meeting the needs of continuous harvesting. After harvesting, the potatoes are quickly transported to the factory for sorting. Here they undergo thorough inspection processes to remove damaged, diseased, or substandard tubers in terms of size and quality. The qualified potatoes are then divided into groups based on size, weight, and color. This automated sorting process ensures that the potatoes meet the right standards before being processed or exported, helping to maintain high quality throughout the agricultural supply chain. The frozen potato chips production line includes the main steps from raw material processing to packaging and transportation. Potatoes are carefully selected, washed and peeled by automatic machines. The automatic potato washer is a modern device that helps clean potatoes quickly, saving time and effort. Finally, the frozen fries are quality checked and stored at low temperatures before being shipped to distributors or supermarkets. This line helps optimize the production process, reduce costs, and ensure stable product quality. Now comes the part that many people are looking forward to the most: the process of creating each piece of crispy potato chips. Do you know how the potato snack processing process takes place? The potatoes have been processed and sliced into thin slices 35. Then each potato slice is soaked thoroughly to remove excess starch, ensuring that when fried, the potatoes will have a beautiful golden color and achieve the desired crispiness. Next, the potatoes are dried and fried in vegetable oil at high temperatures to achieve the perfect flavor and texture. Once drained, the fries are seasoned and cooled quickly. Finally, they are packaged in sealed bags to retain their crispiness and delicious flavor, ready to be enjoyed. Have you ever imagined a machine that can process a large volume of 881.85 pounds of potatoes in a short time? The new Provino 3G is a modern, powerful device designed to effectively crush potatoes in industrial production lines. Equipped with advanced technology, a powerful motor, and a sharp blade, the machine ensures smooth mashed potatoes, keeping them fresh without losing nutrients. Potatoes are a nutritious food, bringing many health benefits. They provide energy thanks to complex carbohydrates, aid digestion with high fiber content, and regulate blood pressure thanks to potassium. Vitamin C in potatoes helps boost immunity, while vitamin B6 and magnesium support bone, muscle, and brain function. However, to maximize the benefits, potatoes should be prepared properly, avoiding sprouted potatoes or potatoes fried in too much oil. How do you feel after exploring the journey of planting and harvesting potatoes? Which moment impressed you the most? Do you know the difference between sweet potatoes and potatoes? Sweet potatoes are long and cylindrical, have orange, purple, or white skin, and are naturally sweet and soft when cooked. They are rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and fiber, and are often used for boiling, baking, or baking. Sweet potatoes are quite simple to grow and do not require too many complicated techniques. To achieve high yields, the soil pH should be maintained between 5.5 and 6.5. Before planting, the soil needs to be plowed to a depth of 7.87 to 11.81 inches to ensure looseness and to remove weeds and remaining plant residues. When planting, you just need to insert the seedling into the ground so that part of the stem is underground and the leaves are above ground so that the plant can photosynthesize. In addition, sweet potato cultivation today is supported by modern transplanters. The machine is also integrated with modern features, such as an automatic depth control system, ensuring that the seedlings are planted evenly at a depth of 1.97 to 3.94 inches, helping the plants grow optimally. Sweet potatoes are drought tolerant, but in the early stages, regular watering is needed for the seedlings to take root and develop. In addition, regular organic fertilization and weeding help the plants grow healthily, thereby ensuring the yield and quality of the harvested tubers. After a certain period of time, the sweet potato plant will begin to flower, usually appearing at the end of the growing season. Sweet potato flowers are light purple or white, growing in clusters at the top of the plant. Sweet potatoes are usually harvested 4 to 5 months after planting, when the leaves turn yellow and dry, signaling that the tubers have fully developed. Harvesting sweet potatoes by hand is a job that requires meticulousness, patience, and high technique. This helps avoid damaging the sweet potatoes, keeping the shape and quality of the product intact. This process requires skill because just a small mistake can cause the potatoes to crack, break, or become dirty, reducing their commercial value. Do you know how modern sweet potato harvesters can help save time and effort during the harvesting process? Modern sweet potato harvesters are often equipped with powerful engines from 20 to 60 horsepower, ensuring stable operation on many different types of soil. In addition, the ASA Lift TSP 275 tractor is an effective solution for sweet potato harvesting in the Netherlands. The machine uses a gentle pulling system to lift the crop onto the conveyor, protecting the sweet potatoes from damage. The sweet potatoes are then transferred to a sorting table for selection by size and quality. The machine helps optimize the harvesting process, saving time, improving productivity and product quality. After harvesting, sweet potatoes are transported to the factory for further processing and manufacturing. Here, sweet potatoes are transferred to the cleaning area, where they are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, sand, impurities, and foreign objects on the surface. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious food with many wonderful uses. Thanks to their high fiber, vitamin A, C, and antioxidants content, sweet potatoes help improve digestion, strengthen resistance, and protect cardiovascular health. Not only that, this tuber also supports effective weight loss thanks to its low-calorie content and ability to create a feeling of fullness for a long time. With its diverse benefits, sweet potatoes deserve to be an indispensable dish in the daily menu. Share your feelings below so we can appreciate the efforts behind each potato. Thank you for following. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys.